Do you like it cold? Or do you like it hot? Or do you like it green? Well, we've got the options for you. All you need is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, the same in sugar and the same again in warm water. Whisk it up and keep whisking it until it becomes whipped coffee mixture, a nice light caramel colour. That goes into a new mixing bowl with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix that up nicely and you have your delicious mochaccino mixture. Now, in a heat-proof glass, we're going to add some hot milk 2/3 of the way, and then we're going to add our whipped chocolate coffee mixture on top. And there you have it, a Dalgona mochaccino. Yum! Next up, we're going to use exactly the same ingredients and same proportions, 2 tablespoons each of instant coffee, sugar and warm water. And mix it up until it becomes nice, thick and pale caramel colour. It may take a bit of whisking, so you might like to use an electric whisk to save time. We're going to add some ice into a glass this time and fill 2/3 of that with milk. And our whipped coffee mixture goes on top of that. You can pat it down on the top, make a nice pretty pattern and sprinkle some cocoa powder on top for a finishing touch. Almost looks like an ice cream. Delicious. Dalgona iced coffee. Perfect for a summer's day. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar with 2 tablespoons of matcha powder and warm milk to a mixing bowl this time, whisking it up. Add 60 millilitres of whipping cream. A little bit of naughtiness in there. Mix that together. Whisk it until it is nice and thick. Now we're going to add some ice into our glass 2/3 of the way and fill the same amount with milk. Spooning in our whipped matcha mixture on top. Perfecting your presentation. A fantastic boost of energy. Looking great in green. And there you have it, Dalgona matcha latte. Who would have thought it could be so tasty?